Welcome to this Easy Tech Fix-It channel, and this is a quick video to talk about support for Windows 7 of some of the software that you might be using. Once again, if you haven't heard the news, there will be end of support. So the last patch security update for Windows 7 for regular users is this coming Tuesday, January 14th, 2020. That is interesting because there's still a lot of computers out there. Roughly 500 million computers out there are still on that version of Windows. So one of the things that we are, of course, thinking about is, okay, what software will continue being supported if we still continue to use Windows 7? So we learned that, first of all, Firefox has answered a question saying that there are no plans right now to stop the development of Firefox web browser for Windows 7. The way Firefox works actually is that it has to do with its developers. When its developers start thinking that it's not worth it anymore, that's when it stops. So they don't have any dates right now. That means Firefox will continue to be updated for Windows 7 for the time being, and there's no official or no dates of anything ending. Google has been a little more precise. Google has announced that its Google Chrome web browser will be supported at least 18 months. At least 18 months. So that means that at least until July of 2021, you will continue getting full new versions of Google Chrome web browser when they are available. That's good news because one of the ways you can still stay safe on Windows 7 is by using an up-to-date web browser. So that's the good news that we're having. A lot of people and a lot of companies are actually announcing that, for now they're still continuing to develop some of the software. So the web browsers, Google Chrome, Firefox, really good news here. Because honestly, you can't, if there were no browsers updated after this week, it would be preferable to not use Windows 7 anymore after a couple of weeks or a couple of months, because you won't get any security updates in the operating system. That puts you at risk. But with the updates in the browsers, well, there's a mitigation of security. There's some security that still maintains because of the updates. So this is the good news that we have if you could plan on continuing to use Windows 7. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.